This backyard and pool renovation was done by Gapsy in East Islip, New York. This job was originally done by Gapsy 30 years ago in 1993. It's now 2023. So the new renovation project consists of rebuilding this outside wall with all natural stones. The clients who loved the natural stone looks. It's a dry stacked natural stone wall built all around the pool. The pool was raised out of the ground originally because it's on the bay and there's a high water table. The patio pavers, we used full color New York bluestone, flagstone, random sizes. The original pool was a 20 by 40 with an extended swim lane on this side. The renovation that we did, we made the pool square and kept one side of the swim lane and built a sun deck within the pool. So this is how the pool was extended on the house side. We built a sun deck with curved steps. We installed an auto cover. We installed porcelain tiles in the water line. And the pool finish consists of Gulfstream hydrazzo finish. We also installed 2x2 tiles to accent the edge of the steps and the sun deck. This is the latest backyard renovation in East Islip, New York.